मिस्टर वेळी 2024 ट्रॉफी सर्त पयलेच खेपे चिंचणी हांगा जातली। हे सर्तीत राज्य पावंड्या वयले बॉडी बिल्डिंग, क्लासिक बॉडी बिल्डिंग आणि मेन्स फिजिक चॅम्पियनशिप आणि वुमेन्स चॅम्पियनशिपाचो आस्पाव आसा। ही सर्त 27 जानेवारीक जातली। मिस्टर वेळी 2024 ट्रॉफीचे उक्तावण शेनवारा जाले। ABS फिटनेस झोन जिम चिंचणी हांनी बॉडी बिल्डिंग अँड फिटनेस असोसिएशन ऑफ गोवा, इंडियन बॉडी बिल्डिंग अँड फिटनेस फेडरेशन आणि इंटरनॅशनल फिटनेस अँड बॉडी बिल्डिंग फेडरेशन हांच्या जोड पालवान ही सर्त घडोवन हाडटा। चिंचणीचो सरपंच वेलेंटिनो बेरेटो आणि हेर वांगड्या सयत मिस्टर वेळी 2024 करंट सर्तीच्या ट्रॉफीचे उक्तावण केले। ही सर्त पयलेच खेपे 27 जानेवारीक चिंचणी हांगा जातली।
I'm very proud to be coming up from Chinchinim. It was always a proud moment for me. When I became a bodybuilder, I always represented Margaon. And my career got over when I was in Margaon only. When I came down to, at a time where I have to hang my gloves and thought of putting up a gym, the first question was, why you're putting in Chinchinim? Who is going to come in Chinchinim? So it was a challenge for me. And I said, like, every day 6 o'clock in the morning when I was a bodybuilder, I used to travel from Chinchinim to Margaon to do my workout. And one day I will make people to travel from Margaon to Chinchinim to change their self. So I did it. Today I reached over here. And one thing was missing, that's the championship. We have all over, like the main championship is Mapsa Shri, Porvari Shri. So it's always a question in me. We are also living in a constituency that is Velim. Why cannot we have it? And today, I cannot say it again, why can't we have it? We are having it on 27th of January 2024. And this championship will be for me, for young generation guys. I don't want to see big guys. I want to see new guys coming up and competing over here, especially from the south, because all the bodybuilders' numbers are from the north. So I want to see more crowd from the south, especially Kunkoli, Kankon, Bali, Betul. We have many guys over there, but we cannot see any single guy coming up and participating over here. So this is the opportunity for our south people to come in large numbers, compete and win the trophies. Trophies is all what we work for, not for the money. So it's the pride. So here we go on 27.
The government of India is also giving a message of Fit India, Kelo India. So let us all be fit and progress together in interest of village, state and for the country.
गोवा ही एकूच स्टेट असा जी आम्ही नॅशनली केन्ना सांगोंक आमकां तितकें बरें दिसना, पूण गोवा ही एकूच स्टेट पळयता जितून फिटनेसान वुमन्स फिजीक जावं बाकीच्यो कॅटेगरीज आसा वुमन्स, तेन्ना गोंयचे एथलीट्स दिसना आमकां नॅशनल प्लॅटफॉर्मार एक जेन्युअन कॉम्पिटिशनान. सो आतां एक फर्स्ट टायम ABS जिमांनी ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी दवरल्या आनी गोंयचे जितके जिमांनी आमी पळयता लेडीज एक्टीव आसा तांकां एक गोल्डन ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी हिस्ट्री क्रिएट करपाक की आपूण गोंयची फर्स्ट वुमन फिजीक चॅम्पियन आसतली म्हणून, आनी ही हिस्ट्रीन आसतले. सो हो स्टेट लेवल चॅम्पियनशिपाचो हांव म्हणटा जितके गोंयची बायलां जिमांनी आसा, जी यंग टॅलेंटेड चेडूं आसा तेंच्यांनी हेजो फायदो घेवचो. तांकां कितेंय गायडन्स जाय इन टर्म्स ऑफ पोजिंग, प्रॅक्टीस, जाल्यार बॉडी बिल्डिंग अँड फिटनेस असोसिएशन ऑफ गोवा इज रिचेबल टू देम. एक कॉल करून तांकां आमी खंय जाय थंय त्या जिमांनी येवन तांकां आमी गायडन्स करपाक रेडी आसा.
GOA365 खातीर रमेश नायक रावत, मनीषा जाधव आणि संगीता ओली.